We are going to practice counting quarters using the hairy money strategy. So a quarter has 5 hairs on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when we count the hairs, we count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So here we have 2 quarters. And remember, there are 5 hairs on each quarter. So I'm going to draw my 5 hairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see the hairs don't have to be perfect. We just want to draw 5 hairs. And we want to count by fives as we touch each hair. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. We just counted these 2 quarters and we saw that it equals 50 cents. And now we're done.